Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial for LiveScore. LiveScore Viewer is a Max for Live device that allows viewing and editing MIDI clips in standard music notation or commonly sheet music inside Ableton Live. The device is included in the bundle after installation of LiveScore and MaxScore. In this video, we will show you how you can view music notation of any MIDI clip in your Ableton Live session. First, make sure LiveScore is installed. If you haven't done so, you can watch this video for the installation process. Now go to the user library, where you can find the LiveScore folder. Click LiveScore and then drag LiveScore Viewer onto one of the MIDI tracks. Let's also add an instrument to hear the music we create. We see that LiveScore Viewer is loaded as one of the devices in this track. Now, let's create a MIDI clip in Session View and rename it Row Your Boat. When the clip is selected, you will see the name of the clip. Now, let's add some melody into the MIDI clip by going to Clip View and double-clicking on the piano roll. Now go back to Device View. You will see that the score has automatically updated with our notes. You can see that the notation reflects the full length of the note regardless of the actual length of the MIDI note. This ensures a correct notation even if you're playing, for example, in staccato. Alternatively, you can also use LiveScore Viewer in Arrangement View. Let's record something with a MIDI keyboard. You can see that, after recording, the score shows up in the same way. Now, let's go back to our melody in Clip View. Here on the left, you can see some options for display. Now, as our melody is in D major, let's select D major for the key. You can now see the music notation with the correct key signature. We can also display the score in other clefs. For example, the tenor clef. If we select this, you will see the score updates automatically. Let's add some more bars into the MIDI clip. Let's also add some triplets by pressing Command 3. Now, with our 4-bar melody, you will see multiple bars in the score. Let's scroll to see the bars at the end. Alternatively, you can press the arrows to go to the first or last bar. Finally, let's look at the quantization settings. The default is usually the best option, but you can try out different settings. If you choose 8N, it forces the device to quantize everything into eighth notes. That's all for this tutorial. In the next video, we will delve more into the editing function of LiveScore Viewer. If you find this video useful, please click on the like button. Or if you have questions or issues to report, please comment down below. See you in our other tutorials!